Hi guys, and welcome to Tekara Presents. If it is your first time here, welcome, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Listen, I'm welcoming myself back at this point, but you see that thumbnail, we're back with a good one. Chicken Philly egg rolls. If you want to see how we make it, just stick around. Alright, so here are the ingredients we are going to need. We have our thinly sliced chicken breast, mozzarella shreds, we have some baby bella mushrooms, a couple of different color peppers, an onion, Tony's Creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and black pepper, and of course your egg roll wraps. Alright, so first up we are going to get our veggies diced up. We're going to dice up our peppers, we're going to dice up our mushroom and our onion. You want to make them pretty small. You don't want them too big, but make sure that they are all uniform size. Then we are going to season our chicken. First you want to clean it. Of course, clean your chicken first, pat it dry, and then we're going to go ahead and season it. So we hit it with the salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning. Pat that in, flip it over, and then do it all over again. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and Cajun seasoning. Pat it in, rub it in real good. Let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to dice it up. So we're going to dice the chicken. I do it like lengthwise first, and then I kind of cut those into, I'd say about 1/2-inch pieces. You can leave them as strips, but you know, if you want chicken in every bite, like, these are egg rolls. So we do it, and we are going to do these in 1/2-inch little cubes. Get that all diced up, and then we're going to go ahead and head over to the stove. So of course we have vegetable oil. You can use canola oil, but I just prefer vegetable oil. Make sure you get that hot up to temp, and then you want to hear that sizzle. Go ahead and add in your chicken. So you're gonna let this cook, let it do its thing. These pieces are really small, and chicken breast cooks pretty quickly anyways. So we're gonna let it go 3/4 of the way done, and then we'll go ahead and we'll add in our veggies. Okay, so onions, peppers first, and then the mushrooms. I'm gonna let that go until your veggies are translucent, and then you go ahead and add in your mushrooms, and then this is what it looks like when it's all done. You're gonna let it cool and then fill your wrappers. So I just went ahead and sped this clip up because I am not a pro when it comes to rolling these egg rolls. You can follow the instructions on your package, but I use about 1 or 2 tablespoons of the filling and a handful of cheese. And if the wrapper breaks, you can just double it. That's why some of them are a little bit bigger, but they're all set now. We're just gonna go ahead and fry. Fry them to a golden brown. Make sure you're moving them around while they're in the pan. I stated this in my other egg roll video. If you haven't checked that out, go check that one out. But just go ahead and move them around so that they don't burn on either side. Golden brown, take them out of the oil, drain, and then we are good to go. Look at that, guys. Crispy, delicious, golden brown. Oh my gosh, if you ever had a chicken number 9 sandwich from D'Angelo's, these egg rolls taste exactly like that. Full of flavor, delicious. They are a must try. I promise you, you will not be disappointed with this recipe. I am working on my plating as well, so please don't judge me. But this is what they look like when they are cut in half. These egg rolls are the bomb. I just could not stop eating them. Listen, if you try this recipe, come back and leave me a comment. Let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all again next time. Take care.